Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Altitude. Amazon is taking another leap in a completely different category of products, that is home security. The brand Ring is another brand inside Amazon's umbrella and it is best known for its home security equipments. You know those with the smart CCTV cameras and those smart doorbells which has this integrated cameras inside it and will start recording everything as soon as someone presses those doorbells. Yeah, that brand. Well, this Ring brand is coming up with a Ring drone. This is just your home security camera taking a flight. This new camera is an autonomous drone that can fly around inside your house and give you a perspective of all the rooms that you want whenever you are not at home. Seriously, this thing flies automatically and it doesn't need anyone else to handle it. Well, to start with, for the initial setup of this drone, you have to first map out your entire house inside this drone's programming so that it chooses the perfect path to travel around inside your rooms or inside your house and then switch rooms accordingly. That allows you to ask it for specific viewpoints such as kitchen or bedroom view or any other that you wish for. This drone can be commanded to fly on demand or programmed to fly when a disturbance is detected by a linked alarm system. Aesthetic wise, this drone system has a plastic cubicle shaped box that works as a docking station and it also charges up the drone itself. The drone looks really compact and has a cage-like structure holding all the blades inside this cage structure. And the cameras are located underneath the wings inside this rectangular projection that is in the center of the cube. The charging dock blocks the camera's view and the camera only records when it's in flight. The drone makes an audible noise when flying, so it becomes obvious when the footage has been recorded with the camera. Which makes sense because now one can make sure no malicious hacker is spying on them via this drone system. The Ring camera can also be used for simple things like checking if a stove was left on or a window was left open. With this drone, you can also make sure that you have locked the entire main door of your house from the inside. Now this feature will help a lot of Indian moms because one of the most staple question that creates a lot of panic inside all the Indian families is, have you turned off the gas? And with a smartphone in your hand and this drone camera inside your house, you can show your mom, yes, you have turned off the gas, and you can show them that you are responsible as well. The drone also has an obstacle avoidance technology so that it avoids objects in its path. And one of the features of this drone, which I think is one of the best part of this flying drone camera, is where you could do a patrol run inside your house. That ensures no one is entered inside your house without you going there and checking things out in the dark. The tech behind this drone camera is really interesting and really helpful for a lot of people who stay away from their house for a good part of the week. However, there are always two sides of a coin. The second side or the second perspective of this drone camera that I'm really worried about is system privacy. Because the drone, which can fly around inside your house, knows all the layout of your house because we have mapped it already inside the programming of this drone, and has a camera and a microphone which records everything that is going around itself, and it also detects some of the disturbances via these microphones. Although Amazon has said it will not start recording things from the cameras until the drone lifts off from the base. That makes us aware when the drone is recording from the cameras because the drone itself or the blades of the drone makes a lot of noise whenever it's in air. Amazon calls it privacy that you can hear. This thing could also pair up with Alexa smart speaker if you want, and of course the other Ring devices like the smart CCTV cameras and the digital door unlock system. Well, Amazon said it will provide an end-to-end encryption just like WhatsApp for all the video footage of this drone and other Ring devices, and a two-factor authentication system for all of those users. But even with all of this, I still think that there's still a chance of things getting out of hand. Like in January of 2020, where Amazon fired 4 of its employees for abusing or accessing all of the users' videos from their Ring cameras. So yeah, such things could happen with the home security equipments whenever they are connected via the internet. Things could go pretty much south very easily with this first or second generation smart home equipments. This Ring drone will come out in the market from next year, and I'm pretty sure it will reach the Indian shores and Indian markets pretty soon as well. So what do you think? Do you still rely on this smart home security equipments? Not just from this brand from Amazon or this Ring brand, from any other brand like Godrej. Even Jio is also planning to come out with similar systems, not this drone and all, but other systems like this smart door unlock and everything. What do you think about it? And what do you think about the security and the privacy of ourselves with this home security equipments that are laying around inside our house? Do let me know in the comment section below. There's still a plenty of things to question about the capabilities of this drone, like how far it could fly from its charging place. What is the flight time of this drone for one single charge, and how much time it will take to fully charge this drone, and obviously can it travel from upstairs to downstairs and vice versa. Well, there are plenty of questions and we still don't have answers for all of it, and we'll get only the answers when this drone comes out in the market. So let's see what this drone brings on the table and what Amazon has for us in the future. That's all with the Ring drone of Amazon's, and that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.